it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my horizontal classic size happy planner that I use for daily journaling. This will be for the week of June 3rd through the 9th. So let's go ahead and pull it off the disc and see what we can do with it. Now this is going to be a recreation. I said on my dashboard layout that before I went to the hospital and was admitted I was gone for 9 days, I had already pre-filmed all of these videos, or all the videos for that current week while I was in the hospital, and so I didn't get to use my spreads, and these were super adorable, so I'm recreating them because I want to write in them. I want to use them. So this is Butterfly Summer. This is a new sticker collection that is available in my shop now, pleasantlyplanned.com. All my stickers are 50% off. I'm going to be using Flourishing 1 and 2, these matching colorful boxes. And then I picked 2 washi tapes, and I have some quotes. I'll show you those. The quotes I'm going to be using are actually Happy Planner quotes. So, yeah, I'm excited to decorate this spread and actually get to use it this time. I'm trying to line my wheels up at the bottom so that I can just cut them off right here. So this truck is adorable. I love pink and yellow together. It's a very good color combination. And so let's see, let me find the quote. So this is the black and white sticker book from the Happy Planner. I'm going to use New Month, Fresh Start. And then I'm also going to use Celebrate Each Little Victory. So if you haven't already watched my update video, which is actually where I was setting up my new self-care planner, go ahead and check that out. And it just kind of gives you an update of what all's been going on with me while I was in the hospital and all that good fun stuff. And so Fresh Start, New Month, Fresh Start makes total sense after you watch that video. Alright, so we have that, and then let's mark this again because I will forget where I was. Now we're going to take a long yellow box and put it right about here. I'm not going to white out any of the lines or anything. I'm just going to let it be. And then we're going to take the little boots, adorable boots, and put right here. I'm actually going to cut the bottom so that they lay flat on this line. Like that. And then we're going to take this butterfly, one of these butterflies, and we're going to just stick it right over here. So cute. Alright, now I'm going to use some of this pink plaid washi. Now this washi is some that I got on Temu. I need to find some more because these rolls were not very thick, so this one's almost gone. Hope that I'll have enough to use for this spread again. If not, I may have to rob some off of the other the other spread that I decorated that I didn't get to use. We'll see. Alright, that is so cute. This is so fun and so pretty. I love it. Alright, let's go here. Please, Lord, let me have enough to finish this spread. Then we're going to go here. Alright, so that is that side, and then we're going to go to the left side, which is normally the page that I start on, but I didn't start there today. So actually we're just going to use yellow boxes. I forgot that I only used yellow boxes. So we're going to go here. Uh-oh, I just covered up the 6, but that's okay. I'll know it's the 6. Alright, and then we're going to take a small butterfly. I only want to use a big sheet. I don't want to waste I don't want to waste more than one sheet. So we'll just keep going with the large sticker sheet. Oops. Okay. Well, if I can get the sticker pieces off. And then let's do the long yellow box up here. This is going to be so cute. Just wait. Just wait. Then we're going to take the ladder, the long ladder, and I'm going to attempt to cut these straight across. And then we're going to lay it right here. It's a little crooked, but it's okay. All right, I'm going to take my quotes. Celebrate each little victory. And once you watch that setup video, this will make a lot of sense as well. So let's go here. Okay. And I guess I am going to have to use a small sticker sheet. I really didn't want to, but I'm going to because I want to use this little hat that is adorable right here. And then I want to use the backpack up top here. Look how cute that is. It's adorable. I kind of wish, I'm going to take these big butterflies off now that I've already used a small sheet, because they are fairly large and I prefer to use smaller butterflies. Oops, I didn't go all the way. And I need to go here. So the liquid I'm using is called Undo. You can get it at craft stores. I got mine on Amazon. It is a sticker remover, but you can reposition your stickers once they're dry. It doesn't take the stickiness off. It's great stuff to use for your planner stickers because, you know, they're not cheap and you don't want to waste them. So grab you some Undo if you ever like to move your stickers around on your planner spreads. Alright, now let's come in with some smaller butterflies. Let's put this one down here. Make sure this page is good and dry. And we'll put this butterfly over here. Alright, that looks better. Okay, and then let's go in with some washi. Let me organize my mess here. I got a mess. I always make a mess. See if I can find somewhere to put my trust stickers. Excuse me. Alright, so now we're going to just fill in some more with the plaid washi. So we're going to come down here. Whoops. Oh, come here. And then we'll put a little bit up here. Oh yeah, I've got plenty. Thank you, Jesus. I didn't want to have to go ripping washi off of another spread. Look how cute it is. Alright, so now all I need to do is put in a couple of my word of the year, which is trust. Proverbs 3:5-6. And I think I'm going to stick this one up here. And we're going to take, we'll just make this a butterfly thing. We'll put it with both of the butterflies. Perfect. Look how cute this spread is, y'all. I love it. I can't wait to write in it. I can start writing in it tomorrow because today is Sunday. So let's put it back in my planner. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. What did I do with my planner? There it is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a dime to subscribe. So yeah, it just helps me and let YouTube know that people want to watch my videos. So hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. That also helps me get my videos out there for more people to see. Make sure you head over to my website, pleasantlyplanned.com. Purchase any and all of my stickers at 50% off until further notice. There is no code needed. It's an automatic discount. The system will automatically take it off. I do offer Afterpay. You can do Shop Pay in 4 installments. So lots of ways to purchase your favorite stickers. Make sure while you're over there to scroll down on the home screen and sign up for emails as well. So that is it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.